Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back here on making some videos. Today I'm going to be cooking up some pancakes and probably some eggs, and I may have a special guest coming in and when I get it all cooked up here. All right, let's start off. Yeah, we're going to get some pancake mix in here and do oh yeah, we should plug this in first. Plug in our pancake skillet and get that warmed up first. Yeah, I'm just not doing a measuring or anything, just adding what I can, see how much we make up here. Add some water, give it a whisk, mix her up. Yeah, I'm using this electric one here because instead of pulling out the big Coleman stove to getting that all set up just for a few pancakes. All right, let's see if this skillet is hot enough yet. Nope, not yet. Oh, there we go. I think she's ready. A little cooking spray on there. All right, let's add some batter to that. So we got the batter put on there. Let's close her up. All right, we shall see how close she is to being done here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now we'll throw another one on there. Hey Kevin, I'm back. Hey Willie, nice to see you back. I guess I better mic you up here.
Oh, look at this! Look at this little setup.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the mic, Kevin. Hello, everybody. Hey,
Yeah.
everybody.
So yeah, this is Willie.
Ah,
Everybody knows him.
oh, let me grab my chair. Ah, what are you cooking up, buddy?
Pancakes and eggs. You like pancakes?
Oh,
Look at that, eh?
hot off the grill.
Ready for a egg?
I'm ready for an egg. So, what is this, Kevin?
It's a starfruit.
A starfish. Oh my. Oh, that's hot, Kevin. That's so hot. Look at that.
Yeah, so we'll throw an egg on there for you. You like your eggs soft?
I don't mind. That's a nice little thing. So, what are you doing? Making a video?
Yes.
He's making a video, guys.
Yeah. First one in a while.
Ah. So, how you making out with it?
I'm learning as I go.
You're learning.
I'm not a professional yet, so.
Oh.
But even same as cooking,
So, what do you have that plugged into? Your.
Yeah, my inverter.
Oh, inverter.
Yeah.
That's awesome, boy.
Like
But
I say, a big. It's a
beautiful.
lot quicker to do this than setting up the big propane thing. And
It's a beautiful day, though,
yeah,
eh? At least you got a little bit of shade, eh? I'm not in the shade. I'm getting burnt up today. So how long does it take to usually to fry up an egg on that little thing?
a couple minutes. Just check it out. That's still going.
Wow, that's awesome. Oh,
But you can go ahead. There's pancakes ready, and there's an egg there. If you want to
I'm gonna.
mess yourself up, I got syrup.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That looks so good.
Yeah.
No, I'll wait for your egg. That egg to get cooked, and then
Okay.
we'll eat. This is a beautiful day. A beautiful, beautiful day. Can't believe it. Hot. The sun's hot though.
Yeah, maybe when we go to eat, maybe we'll find a shady spot.
You're not gonna find no shady shots around here. No.
No.
All right? Nah. This is fine. Well, this is fine.
Well, we can go back here, maybe move our chairs back when she's all ready to go.
Oh, on the side.
Yeah.
On the side. Yes. Yeah. What's this? Our batter.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Add some more water to it.
No, we got enough pancakes. You got enough pancakes there, unless you don't want to waste anything. All right.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, I like your little setup,
How's that?
Kevin. Oh, that's perfect. I love your little setup. So let's
Throw that on there for you.
look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice little egg, eh?
No, cook up this last bit of.
Batter?
Oh no, you know what? It's not enough there. Just unplug her and
Yes.
dish it up.
Sure, this is fine. Dandy. Dandy.
Ready to dish her up?
I'm ready. I'm going to grab
You
a cup.
hungry?
Yes, I am. I want some maple syrup, though.
Oh, I don't have maple syrup, but I got Mrs. Butter for it.
Mrs. Butter's okay. Nothing wrong,
Want some
Miss.
butter?
No, Kevin, this is fine, my buddy. Thank you very much, bud. I appreciate the invite today.
You've
There.
been doing all the cooking lately, so I figured, you know what? Try something different.
Yeah. Well, there we have it, guys. Let's taste this now. I gotta taste his pancakes. Mmm. Looks good, Kevin. Mmm. Just kidding. Just kidding. Actually, they're good, Kevin.
That's good.
I am so hungry.
You
I am.
eat anything, right?
No, not just anything, but I am hungry.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't had pancakes in a while.
No,
No.
you could cook them up.
What?
I said you could cook them up on the Coleman stove too.
I can cook them up on the common stove.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I might have to do on my next cooking channel, guys. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Willie. Willie Strucklife. And
Yeah, I think most of the
what's that?
guys, we will cut you at the end after we finish eating. We're gonna move into the shade, I think.
We can do that. Let's move into the shade.
Okay.
Awesome.
That work?
Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Leave a comment for Kevin. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Oh my goodness, Kevin, that was really good, buddy.
Yeah.
I appreciate the breakfast.
Oh well, I appreciate the company.
Well, hey, what are friends for, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for inviting me down for breakfast, and I really appreciate it, though. So I got to get going, Kevin. I guess you be.
I guess I got to do the dishes, which is always the way.
Kevin, you got to do the dishes, and I appreciate the meal. So I'm off because I'm going to have to edit that video that we did earlier. So guys,
check out Willie's channel.
Thank you, Kevin. Yeah, check my channel out with Willie's Truck Life, and I appreciate all the support. And thanks, guys,
Now, thanks again, guys.
for giving Kevin some support. So make sure you subscribe to Kevin's channel because he has more videos to come. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate it, buddy.
Okay, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Well, guys, it looks like I'm all packed up here. Just gotta throw these last few things in the van. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. And I want to thank Willie for coming and enjoying company and some breakfast. And thanks to all my new subscribers. All right, we'll see you on the next one.